What's up, YouTube? Your girl is back with another video. I'm coming to you to go ahead and go over these charts. Let's just dive right on into it, okay? So what I want to come and show y'all is like beginning to the end. Okay, I go directly before I start trading. I want to be like, okay, I'm going to look at gold, whether I'm going to look at currencies. I'm going to pull up Forex Factory, which is news, or just vital information that the currencies or whatever indices or whatever I'm looking at, okay? So then I'm going to go, and this is currencies. I'm not going to do currencies first. I'm actually going to jump into gold. So I just push the little button up here. I go to metal mine. And since we're looking at gold, this is what I'm looking at, okay? It has little articles. It also has, the chart. And you try to click on it, it tells you it's closed. It done open back up into 5 p.m. At 12 o'clock, okay? On the 12th, I mean. So, it tells me where price is at, alright? So then, I'm already here. So then I go to Trading View. I love Trading View. I highly recommend it. Especially if you're a beginner, not even only for beginners, but anybody who's trading or wants to get into trading, because you can do so much with at tradingview.com with your charts. You can mark them up, you can write on them, you can look at ideals, other people's ideals. So I just clicked on ideals so you can get a view. So to have what people think is going on, it's bullish. Somebody's going to go long. Somebody says they're going to go short. Woo wah woo wah. All different type of ideas. But let's go back to this chart. Okay. So let me click that. Yeah. So price $17.98. Okay, and this is what is going on with gold. So I like my top-down analysis, so I'm going to start on this day, right? I already have it marked, but okay. So everybody knows I like to mark my daily and my weekly, okay? And then I just change the color so we know where we're going and we know where we're at. So this is my and I had it on my computer for y'all, but so let me try to see if it's a change. No. Yeah, I'm trying to grab. Okay, I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. So the purple is a little bit further than the top of this week for my weekly resistance, but that's okay. So as you can see on the daily on gold, it is doing a pullback. It is on a downtrend, right? So it went from this top of the wick. Oh my gosh. It went from this top of the wick. It went from here. It went from here, right? And then started going down. Okay, so that's 3 days worth of downtrend, right? So it's a pullback, but if we go to let's erase that. Okay. So what is going on here? Didn't I just have it? Okay, so let's mark it up. What the heck is going on? Alright. Party people, bear with me. So this is my weekly resistance, okay? This is what we got going on. I always start with your top-down analysis. Always, okay? Then I'm going to go to my daily. Do the same thing. Change the color. That's not what I wanted to do. Put that back. Do it again for your daily. So you know where you're at. Okay, that's my resistance. I'll do one more for my support. And I'm just clicking that horizontal line if you didn't catch it, okay? So again, most recent high and low, most recent support and resistance, alright? And this is my daily. The blue is weekly. So because I have zoomed in and went to daily, this is what's going on now. This is what's the most recent range, okay? So I'm going to go to my 4 hour. Zoom out. And it shows y'all right here what's going on. Okay. If you see this, that whenever price hits this EMA line, it bounces back up. It did it here, it did it here, and it did it here, okay? So this is my high exponential and this is my low exponential. Both of them are 50 EMA lines, okay? So it made me remove all drawings. One more time. One more time, good people. So again, on the 4 hour, you see where price has made its way back down to this 50 EMA line. Also back down to its last known support, okay? So look at this. One level of a lower low. Then it pulled up. Second level lower low. Pull up. Third level lower low. And then it so happens to reach this 50 EMA line. So one or two things. It can react like it has before in the past. Okay? Like it has here, 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 here. We can keep going on. 4 hours is your most reliable source to how price will react. Okay? Higher time frames, period. So it could be finna bounce up, right, on the way and go back up and make a higher high than it has before. Okay, because we're at 1798. We were at 1796 earlier, so it's already popped up before the market has even opened. Okay, it had dropped like $20, but again, this could just be the pullback before the rise. Okay, going back to the weekly, I'm expecting that is what, like 18, 16. But if we want to look at the monthly and what's going on, okay, so this is me zoned out. So we're over here where price is. Price has already gone and met these, okay? So the next high we can say, so if you just want to do like 3 take profits, let me zoom back in, right? So it pulled back. It could be still pulling back. You want to buy the dip. So pull back to here, this last support, all right? And say that on the 4 hour it bounces back up. This would be your first take profit here, okay? At like 18.10, around this part right here. Then your second take profit would be like 18.20 or 19. Then your third take profit will be 19.12. Okay. Let's see this. This needs to be moved up. On the phone, it is so much harder to try to grip and control these things. So I'll just tell you, because we're not going to spend too much time on it. So this would be like your second take profit, 18.25, and then your third take profit, 19.10. Okay. So let's go back to where we're at. Right. Let's go back to the day. Let's go back to the hour. So again, you are looking to still should be looking in, if you're scalping, sell positions, okay? Because when price is under the EMA line, you look for opportunities to sell. When it's above it, you look for opportunities to buy, okay? And right now it's under the EMA line and it stayed closed, so it will most likely resume that way and probably go down to here. This is where the opportunity where I'm looking to buy, okay? You have intraday traders who are trying to scalp it here, you know, go down to the 15-minute chart, same thing, scalp it down to this area. So our golden area down here, that's where I want to buy for a dip, okay? So I can catch that ride all the way up, okay? So that's what we got going, but right now we're going to stay patient and we're just watching, right? Right. Okay, next one I wanted to hit on was NASDAQ 100 USD. Okay. What we got going on with that? This is our daily, weekly. It's very bullish. It's bullish because the stock market, all the companies that correlate with NASDAQ, which is like Apple, Microsoft, the top 100 companies and the top 10 companies, are all doing fairly well. They're shaking back. So you see bullish action. This is weeks at a time, okay? So for about a couple of weeks now, it's been bullish. So we might get like a little, like this bearish momentum here, and then pull up like we did, like we have been getting. See, bullish, pull back, bullish, pull back, bullish, pull back, bullish, pull back, bullish. We want to look for this pullback that they have going on, okay? This is where it's already started for the day. I didn't see any pullback until like we got down to 15 minutes, right? So this has already happened. When I looked early on the chart, we were right here. So it's shooting through that. There was no pullback. This was the pullback. Bullish, okay? So look what it exactly did, okay? We had a pullback here, broke through the daily resistance, okay? It didn't have a weekly or a monthly because it's making higher highs. But it definitely broke through that. So we're looking to keep on making another higher high. I want to show y'all something. The market just opened back up. I had to go down to 5. So it jumped. This was a jump, and it's still jumping, okay? Next one, so that's bullish. I did gold, SP, US 30. I didn't do SP yet. SP 500. Alright, SP 500 started the day, right? Get that. This is the day range. Let's see, I need another one. I can go here, but I like to keep it tight. Going at 4 hour. We got bullish action also. You know, you're looking for a slight pullback. You want to get in on a dip. Okay, but it's making higher highs. The market is shaking back, it's shooting back, so there it is. Okay, so we're looking bullish, to keep on bullish. Alright, and it correlates with what the market got going on. Like I said, the company, the SP 500, the Dow Jones, the stock market is all green right now. So this is what it looks like on the Forex side for that. We're looking, if you're going to be precise, to get in. It just came from 3190 to this daily range 3203, and I would say then it's shooting for that third take profit 3230.6. Okay, let's go look at UCAD. See what we got going on. Okay, I got colors everywhere over here. Let's change that. Daily. See, it's still doing downtrend. work. Okay. Change the color. Okay. Mommy. So then after we marked it up, just go back and see. It's the 4 hour. Again, it's under the 50 EMA, so I'm looking at selling opportunities. Selling opportunities, selling opportunities. Alright, until it shows me something different. For right now, you just watch it. Okay? So there's our markups. I did like 4. US CAD make 5. So I hope y'all learned something today. It's been real. I'll see y'all in another video. We'll see how everything played out. Okay? Peace and love.